Hi guys! Welcome to our Beyond the Skyway experience dito sa Blue Mountains. So, dito tayo mag-start muna sa cable car kung saan gagawin yung experience. Pero before that, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong shoot. So, nandito yung harness natin, nandyan yung helmet, nandyan din yung raincoat if needed. At syempre, meron din silang pa-welcome. Kaya lang nagkamali sila sa pangalan namin, Julia at Michael. Ito na nga, suot na namin ang mga helmet or harness namin. Bitter si Mika kasi wala siyang Beyond the Skyway sticker. At dito naman, pinakita ulit sa amin yung mga rules tsaka yung mga safety requirements paakyat. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng cable car at dito tayo aakyat sa stairs na to paakyat sa rooftop. At naka-harness na rin kami getting ready to go up. At dahil nauna ako na lang mag-video kay Mika paakyat dito sa taas. This is one of the reasons why I never felt so scared on top of the cable car. Makita nyo talaga yung harness namin. Nakakabit talaga siya everywhere. So ilang beses nila yung pinapalit-palitan from down below and then here up. Man, as someone with a fear of heights, hindi man lang ako kinabahan, hindi man lang ako natakot, parang walang challenge, man. Ang galing kasi grabe talaga yung safety. So ito, makikita ninyo, nasa pinakatukto kami, and sabi nila mas mataas pa daw to kaysa sa taas ng Harbor Bridge, ganun siya kataas. So, nice. So before we end the Beyond the Skyway experience, binigyan niya muna kami ng cup of hot Milo, which is just fitting considering napaka-windy talaga sa taas. Grabe, ang sarap tuloy lalo ng Milo. So the time is sadly up. So ngayon bababa na ulit tayo from the rooftop going down to the cable car after the experience. Pagbaba, we were given this cider. Ang sarap niya actually. Meron kang option prior if you want something alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and we just chose the cider for this one, but it's actually really nice. So this concludes our experience. Here are some of the photos taken on top of the cable car.